Welcome to Inbox. I am Hadir. About 1 in 68 children in the United States has been diagnosed with autism. The developmental disability can cause social interaction difficulties, communication challenges, and repetitive behavior. There is no cure for autism, but there are means to reduce symptoms and increase skills and abilities. For a group of young adults in Fremont, California, their mean is music. This band is named the Dream Achievers, achieving through music what they can't express in words. Each member is autistic. They met at music camp. Today, they are professionals. Lawrence Wang plays the saxophone. His musical talent surprised even his mother.
I never imagined that he actually has this wonderful musical talent. He struggles and really feels annoyed by this high pitch. And so in order for me to get him to music lesson to learn the flute recorder, instead of paying the teacher, I had to pay him.
With music is because it's so exciting.
Autistic children often struggle to find their voice.
Just different autistic individuals have different abilities, and how they process the music or their talent is a lot different.
The Dream Achievers started at music camps offered by Friends of Children with Special Needs, or FCSN. Today, the band features pianist, drummer, a saxophonist, and guitarist.
I love music because it makes me feel like, I'm a famous person.
Gregory is the lead guitarist. He couldn't even speak when he was in preschool. Music has given him the power to not only express himself, but also the confidence to interact with others.
Stay right there. Don't move, don't move, don't move. All right.
Chris, the drummer, loves rhythm.
Apparently, I was always every time I was in class, I've always been drumming on my desk, just for fun.
Jane, the pianist, is quieter than others, but she too has found her expression through music. Tony, a professional musician himself, is the band's director.
It's because they have the music in them and they play together as a team that they're able to let their light shine in a way that someone else maybe on the autistic spectrum wouldn't be able to, because they don't have something that they can really call their own.
Dream Achievers! Great. Let's go.
Maria Stark is a music therapist, helping autistic children for over 10 years.
Anytime we're feeling connected, there's a sense of feeling like we belong and like we're part of our human tribe.
For the local program students. With music, it's like a universal language. Even though the verbal language communication is so poor, but then with music, they just sit down and they all play together as if they completely feel each other.
Music has helped the band members communicate beyond the use of instruments.
I see so much growth in them, not just as musicians, but as people. I see them blossoming in their adaptive skills, in their cognitive skills, relational skills, so many different areas. I see them growing and blossoming and blooming, and not just in the circle that we have, but in, in society.
The Dream Achievers perform across the Bay Area and have also been invited to perform internationally. They have had 2 concert tours in China where they amazed the local community with their talent. Today, the Dream Achievers are offered about 2 to 3 gigs per week.
The message that I want Dream Achievers to give to other parents is never to give up hope. Keep trying. When the time is ripe, things will happen, and your kid will come out of their shell and show you what they can do.